All right, step one in using the Google Meet extension is downloading the extension. So you can easily just type in to Google if you want, Google Meet attendance, and the extensions will pop up here. You click on it, make sure it looks like this, because this is the one that our district has. Oh, actually, that's the wrong one. See, blocked by admin. So if you see this, don't do this one. Glad we have this mistake. You're going to want the one with a little apple and a check mark, because that's the one our district has approved. This one. So you'll download the Meet attendance here. If you don't see it up in your extension bar, simply click on the puzzle piece and pin the attendance Meet extension. All right, now that you have added the Meet attendance to your Chrome extensions, you should see this little apple with a check mark on it. If you don't, you can click this puzzle, which is basically your extensions, and pin the attendance to the top. Here, I am in a meeting with Miss Davis, and when I click Show Everyone, I now have this icon, which is the Chrome extension attendance icon. So in order to create a new attendance sheet, I need to make sure that I have this button clicked, and I press the check mark to automatically create a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet will be time-stamped with when the meeting was, but I have not actually taken the attendance yet, so nothing will be on there. It's just made this spreadsheet that's automatically going to be saved in your drive. So the way you actually take attendance, click out of here, and you'll go to Show Everyone and look at the people. When you click the people, Meet attendance will automatically log all of the names of the people in the attendance, the time, and the meet. Essentially what it's doing is it is capturing what is written on here. So it's capturing these names. So if you are teaching and then at the end of class, you notice there's some students who just keep leaving, what you'll want to do is click the people again, and it will give you another attendance with the timestamp on it, so you can see who is in class at that exact